We not new to it, we counted fluid. House game on the wood, my cup full with mud. I came out the hood. Sometimes the gangsta need a hood.
We're officially getting snow, guys. Very little though. Just like rain ain't gonna stick. But luckily I'm going to Atlanta on Tuesday. So I ain't gonna deal with this nonsense.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for A gates. A as in Alpha.
Oscar Jackson Atlanta International Airport, a gateway to the world, is taking a strong stance in
So y'all made it super hungry. Supposed to make a pizza and look at it. Watching you finishing up my episode. Y'all just came out the shower and seen a ladybug. Good luck. This movie part loud as hell. But yeah, I'm gonna let that stay. Usually I'm scared of bugs, but I'm gonna go ahead and let the ladybug stay because it's good luck. Hold on. As I was saying, TV was too loud. But yes, this is the second one I've seen, and I am in Atlanta, which, you know, I will be moving here soon. So I just feel like it's good luck, so I'm gonna let it stay there. So yesterday when I told you about this ladybug, it was 1:18 a.m. Now it's 1:44 p.m. And I just woke up and this was on my leg. So y'all, I thought he was dead, but he's not. He's moving around. Look at him. I ain't gonna lie, he scared the shit out of me when he was on my leg, but I was looking for him last night. And there he was in the morning. Y'all, I was just on the phone with my Uber Eats driver for like 20 minutes because he was lost. And I couldn't help him because I don't know nothing about no Atlanta streets. It was literally crazy. I'm looking crazy when I'm talking crazy, but I'm finna max, y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all. Look at this hibachi steak. Yes, sir. Gonna watch this new Tyler Perry movie on Netflix and chill. Because I'll come back. So y'all, it's legit cold as hell. It's like 47 degrees. But I'm trying to walk and get some wine so I can watch Power tonight. The CBS is right there, so not too far. So y'all, I'm back on from my little journey. It wasn't even that far, but this is what I went there for. Some wine. So I can watch Power tonight. I got some water and then some Boston Market. And from here I get these corn muffins, extra sauce, I get meatloaf, macaroni, and yams. and I'm about to slam because it is 4:18 and I ain't ate nothing yet. So I see y'all when it's time to watch Power. It ain't even time for Power, but your girl wants some wine. And no, I don't feel like putting it in no wine glass. So I'm gonna be ghetto and just put it in this cup. Only did a little. Right now it's 6:18. Watch Power like 8 o'clock. And then we filling the cup up. It's time, y'all. It's 8:03. It's time. I ain't even got me no wine right now. I'm just about to eat and then drink my wine. But it's time. Hey, hey. I live, I learn. Ha! I tune back in when it's over. Okay, so I am officially leaving today. Atlanta has been real. I will be back, of course, because I'm moving here. But yep, I'm about to be heading to the airport. It's 7 o'clock right now. My flight don't leave till 10 though. Actually, I'm about to get something to eat, then head to the airport. So I'm burning up. And I had to wear a turtleneck because it's freezing in Chicago. And it's about to be snowstorms left and right out there. Ew. And then next week it gets hot out here. It's gonna be like, well, not hot. It's gonna be 59 degrees. And it's gonna snow 3 times in Chicago. Y'all gotta excuse this big earring I got in my nose because my nose ring got lost. I need to stop looking here and look here. Hey y'all, hi y'all. Too light. Bring it down some. I'm gonna try and see if I can see my color in this light. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the airport. Y'all, I got a confession. So, I was up here jamming, right? And guess what? Oh, everybody know I love Trey Songz, but guess what? I'm starting to like Tank more than him. Don't tell him, because he gonna be mad. You know, he gonna want to get divorced, but I'm starting to love Tank. But in the perfect world, I'll have both of them. You already have verse? I keep saying see y'all at the airport, but I keep playing. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Have a nice night. Thank you. Oh, Chicago. All this is ice. All right, y'all. I'm about to go in and go to sleep. I'm tired. What's up, y'all? So I am back in Chicago. I actually been back for a couple of days now. So Atlanta was pretty decent. This is the first time I've been to Atlanta, like, I don't know, like turn up stuff. So it actually gave me a nice little feel on how it would be on living out there, because I was just really chilling. And yeah, I mean, I can get used to it. I mean, yeah, I really didn't do much, as y'all seen. This was just like a little clips. I really just ate hella out there, the usual. But I'm back in Chicago, and now it's really time to like set plans in motion. I did see a few apartments, but it wasn't the ones that I wanted. So I actually was looking online at some more, and I think I made my final decision. But who knows? Because low-key, I've been looking at places back in Chicago too, and I keep telling myself stop, because that's not the move. Like, no. Oh, and y'all, if y'all haven't seen Bad Boys, I do recommend going to see it. It was really good. Like, I didn't even bet on going to see it because I mean, I like Bad Boys, but it's not like a favorite movie. Like, it's not like one of my favorites. But I went to go see it, and it was really good. And I've been seeing some people been going to see it in 4D. I bet that was really cool, because the parts, like they were saying, like oh, you get wet when it's raining and stuff. Like, I can only imagine that was fun. So, but if y'all haven't seen it yet, go see it, because it was really good. I did my nails, y'all. Did them again. I'm getting a little better. It's only my second time doing it, actually. And they're pretty decent, if you ask me. So just imagine when I, you know, keep doing this. And it's not that I want to do nails, just like with makeup. Actually, I did want to do makeup, but then I just was like, nah. But I wanted to do my own makeup, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start looking a little cute when I go out. That's how I learned how to start doing makeup. So, and then in my video, I talked about how I was over nails, but that video is gonna come after this. I talked about how I was over wearing nails, but I don't know. It was actually fun doing this. So it actually became kind of fun. But I don't know, now I'm just rambling. But so I see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to do the 3 that's free, which is like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. And I see y'all in the next video, because I'm gone.